Friends, welcome to DM classes.
In last session we have learned angle bisector theorem and its converse. Now today we will start practice set 1.2. Question number first. Given below are some triangles and length of line segment. Identify in which figure ray PM is the bisector of angle QPR. Solution. First, solution. In triangle PQR, PQ divided by PR, PQ divided by PR equal to PQ equal to 7 and PR equal to 3, that is PQ equal to 7 divided by 3. It is denoted by first equation, and QM divided by MR equal to QM equal to 3.5 and MR equal to 1.5, that is 3.5 divided by 1.5. 35 divided by 15. 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35. Therefore, QM equal to QM divided by MR equal to 7 divided by 3. It is denoted by second equation. Therefore, PQ divided by PR equal to QM divided by MR. From equation first and second. From equation first and second. Therefore, ray PM is the bisector of angle QPR by converse of angle bisector theorem. Angle bisector theorem. Question number second. In triangle PQR, PM equal to 15, PQ equal to 25, PR equal to 20, and R equal to 8. State whether line NM is parallel to side RQ. Give reason. PRQ and M. Solution. PN plus NR equal to PR, PN plus NR equal to PR, because P and R are collinear points. P and R are collinear points. We know that NR equal to 8 and PR equal to 20. PN plus 8 equal to 20. Pn equal to 20 minus 8. Therefore, Pn equal to 20 minus 8 equal to 12. Also, Pm plus Mq equal to Pq because P, M, Q are collinear points. Substitute the value of Pm and Pq. Pm equal to 15 plus Mq equal to or Pq equal to 25. Mq equal to 25 divide minus 15. Mq equal to 25 minus 15 equal to 10. Pn divided by Nr equal to 12 by 8. Therefore, Pn divided by Nr equal to 2 4 are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 2 are 4, 2 3 are 6. Pn divided by Nr equal to 3 by 2. It is denoted by first equation. Now, Pm divided by Mq equal to 15 divided by 10. 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 15. Therefore, Pm divided by Mq equal to 3 divided by 2. It is denoted by second equation. In triangle PQR, Pn divided by Nr equal to Pm divided by Mq from equation first and second. From equation first and second. Therefore, line NM is parallel to side RQ by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Question number 3. In triangle MNP, NQ is a bisector of angle N if Mn equal to 5, Pn equal to 7 and Mq equal to 2.5. Then find QP. MQ 2.5, Mn equal to 5, Pn equal to 7. Solution. In triangle MNP is the bisector of angle N. Bisector of angle N is given. Therefore, Pn divided by Mn, Pm divided by Mn equal to QP divided by MQ. Reason: property of angle bisector of a triangle. Pn 7, Mn equal to 5 equal to Qp divided by Mq 2.5. By cross multiplication, Qp equal to 2.5 into 7 divided by 5, 25 under 25, 25 2 जा 50 equal to 3.5. Therefore, Qp equal to 3.5 units. Question number 4. Measures of some angle some angles in the figure are given. Prove that AP divided by PB equal to AQ divided by QC. A, B, C, P and Q 60 degree, also 60 degree. Proof: angle APQ equal to angle ABC equal to 60 degree given. Therefore, angle APQ is congruent to angle ABC. Therefore, side PQ parallel to side BC. It is denoted by first equation by corresponding angles test. In triangle ABC, side PQ is parallel to side BC. From equation first, therefore AP divided by PB equal to AQ divided by QC. By basic proportionality theorem. Now, question number 5. In trapezium, A, B, C, D, side AB parallel to side PQ parallel to side DC. AP equal to 15, PD equal to 12, QC equal to 14. Then find BQ. Solution. Side AB parallel to side PQ parallel to side DC. It is given. Therefore, AP divided by PD equal to BQ divided by QC. AP divided by PD and BQ divided by QC by property of 3 parallel line. And their transversal. Therefore, AP equal to 15, PD equal to 12 and QC equal to 14. Substitute the value of AP, PD and QC. 15, PD equal to 12 equal to BQ divided by QC equal to 14. By cross multiplication, BQ equal to 14 into 15 divided by 12. 2 7 ja 14, 2 6 ja 12, 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15. Equal to 7 5 ja 35 divided by 2 equal to 17.5. Therefore, BQ equal to 17.5 units. Answer.
If you like the video, please press the bell icon.